Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I hope you all are fine. Do you want to see the farm animals with me? Yes? Okay, so let's go. These are farm animals. They live in a farm. They are useful for us. Animals are the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must be kind to animals. We must never harm them. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. What is this? Yes, this is a cow. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a goat. What is this? Yes, this is a goat. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. What is this? Very good. This is a donkey. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a horse. What is this? Very nice. This is a horse. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. What is this? Excellent. Yes, this is a sheep. This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a hen. What is this? Yes, this is a hen. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a camel. What is this? Yes, this is a camel. They carry our loads. Camel, donkey, horse. They carry our loads. They give us meat, eggs, milk, and wool. A cow gives us meat and milk. A camel gives us meat and milk. A goat gives us meat and milk. A sheep gives us milk and meat. A hen gives us eggs and meat. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. See you kids soon.